Well, 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 what do we have here? Check it out. It is almost a whiteout today. And 14 degrees outside. It's crazy out here. We're currently out and about. My wife's at work. We're about to brush her car off. And then we're going to head home. We're all done for the day. We're going to go play in the snow, I think. So, check it out. I bet you there's all of, I don't know, an inch, two. It is really still coming down. There's wrecks everywhere. People in ditches. It's a super fluffy snow. It's still cold. That's the only thing really saving us. If this was a wet snow, it'd be so bad. But we're gonna make the trek home, and I think we're gonna get the side-by-side out and play for a little bit. So. You know how I was talking about Winter Wonderland last time it snowed? This is a real Winter Wonderland. I bet we got 3 inches now. An inch or 2 inches just from when I left town and came here. These are some big old snowflakes. I got a surprise for you. So my buddy Anthony killed a deer yesterday. We went and found it this morning and he came over and hung it. He got the guts. I'll show you a picture of it. I didn't get any video or anything of it, but it's hanging up in the garage now. He's gonna let it hang for a day and then come back and cut her up maybe tomorrow evening or Saturday morning. So I'm impressed with the side by side. It does not seem to care that there's snow on the ground, which it should. It's a side by side, so we're in 2-wheel drive. We ain't even struggling. This is awesome. Check this out. Here's the ravine we've been on. How pretty that is. All the snow and all the trees. It's crazy. Check out these cedars. I'd say we got this windshield on just in time. Just in time. Alright, she's still falling. Got the mean green machine out. We'll take care of some driveway action. I'd say there's at least 3 inches out there. At least. It's super powdery though. If this was wet, it would be a nightmare. So the only bad thing about this gravel is, since these first few snowfalls, there's no snow or anything in the gravel. So until that gravel gets hard and has a few snows, with ice and snow in with that gravel, make it like cement. It's really hard to scrape without messing the gravel up really bad. Luckily, we all have 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive to get up and down our hills. Because right now, I think I'm just making more of a mess than anything. But it's still better than it was. We'll throw some ice melt down up here on this snow, on the actual cement part, and think we'll call it good. I think that's all we have for today. Kind of a all over the place video, but the snow was totally unexpected. I wasn't expecting any of it. I had more plans to do more things outside before this snow. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe. Trying to do as many videos as I can, trying to stay consistent. So, thanks for watching.